Hi, this is John from FlatCatGear. And today, this is the quick update before I go on vacation. This is the latest iteration of wax stoves. I spent a fair amount of time cleaning up the design to try and make it something that's not so tweaky. This is what I've come up with. With all the designs, you start off with a wax burner system. You just need a reservoir to hold the wax and some wicking material. I've started out with carbon felt. That's one of the things I have. I've tried a couple of other wick materials, but they tend to burn up because the way I'm running this stove, the flames are getting blue hot right at the wick. So carbon felt seems to be one of the better materials. It is difficult to light. This is a metal shrouding that does all the magic. So it's got these inlet ports here that lets the air come in and keeps the wick lit. I've got these ports to let air in, and I've got this mesh screen on the inside, and that prevents the flame front from coming in. And these are the outlet ports, of course. Progress is going really well. I can boil 2 cups of water in about 7 minutes. I'm going to fire the stove up and show you what the flames look like. Looks pretty impressive. Again, getting a nice blue flame out of wax. Get the stove warmed up. There's a nice blue flame again. So come visit us at www.flatcatgear.com.